So the new plans say that this iconic tower, the Hearst Tower, the crossover tower at Indy, will not exist in the future, but they'll leave the arch. But this thing's been here. Been here since the 70s. It shows up in all the vintage catalogs, all the vintage books. We're gonna take a walk across this dude. I remember coming here my first time. There were Bob's Berserko Lounge stickers in this thing. It's iconic. Steps of concrete, steel tread plate, guardrails. Nobody's using it this weekend. Everybody's getting to walk across the track. This looks exactly like it did. Yeah, the paint might be peeling, but it's so cool. There's one guy using it. It's just sheet metal, it's tin. How big a deal is it? Hey man, they say they're tearing this out. Won't be here next year. This is your last walkthrough. The iconic tower, right?
It's what it is.
Bob's Berserko Lounge stickers. I'm looking for one. Used to love coming through this. Listen to Nitro right below it. It used to be further forward. It's a serious piece of tubing. This is not attached. Up here, this arch, not attached to the tower. Alright, you knew they were going to have some stupid right wingers in here, but that's cool. Bob's garage. Piece. And this part is covered. Possibly for cameras to be up there. It's extra braced. It's a shame to take this out. Parts of it are wood. Thin tin, Lucas Oil sticker. The tower at Indy is gone. The walkover. This one. It's the last year to do this. They're going to tear this out.
Oh, really?
Last time you get a walk through at Indy. What a sight. They tore out the old tower without having a plan approved for the new one. Who's running this show? Somebody needs talking to about this crossover though.
Oh, yeah.
It just needs a painting and some new advertising. But it's an iconic structure of Indy, and it won't be the same with it gone. It's like losing a friend, huh? So when you look at this next year, and you look at that top elevator club, and you say, damn, tower's gone. Isn't that cool though? I mean, why dig a tunnel? What do you get? Tear it out, what do you get? It's the tin part, probably extended. I don't think it used to be quite this long. It seems like they extended it. I could be wrong. There used to be bleachers back here in this area right here, and it's all paved. And they got this coming soon under construction thing going on. They're showing off their big fancy boxes. Yeah. Let's go look here. See right here? Right there. What? You can't work in and save the crossover walk? You guys are insane. Insane. That's supposed to be an improvement. Look at that. All they want to do is save a Lucas Oil sign.